Okay, for better and deeper understanding about the reliability versus validity, this is one of the most common questions that you can encounter in your paper. Can an instrument be reliable but not valid? The answer is yes. The instrument may be consistently produce the same results while the way or the measuring it is wrong. Okay, so for example, the broken weighing scale. So sira yung weighing scale. Now, imagine a weighing scale that always add 5 kilograms to a person's actual weight. So a person's true weight is 60 kilogram, but every time she step on or he step on the scale, it reads 65 kilograms. So ano naging problem dito? So bago gamitin yung weighing scale, hindi nagkaroon ng calibration ng weighing scale. Kaya sa actual weight talaga niya, 60 kilogram. At yung scale reading naman gamit yung kanyang weighing scale na sira naman or hindi calibrated, ay nagkakaroon siya ng 65 kilogram. No? Yes, it shows that the measures is consistent, but actually the weighing scale is broken. So consistently, the reliable, the answer is consistent. You get a consistent result, but it is not valid because the measuring tool that you use for weight measurement ay hindi calibrated. Kaya the answer is the instrument be reliable but not valid. The answer is yes. Now let's remember that the scale is reliable because it is consistent. Nagkaroon ng 3 consistent reading. Yes, reliable. Hindi siya naging valid because it does not measure the correct weight. And that is the conclusion. Okay, another. Can an instrument be valid but not reliable? The answer is no. Pwede daw ba na valid ang instrument pero hindi reliable? The answer is no. So when we say reliability, it's about the consistency. If the instrument gives different results every time under the same condition, researchers cannot trust that it accurately measures the intended variable. It means an instrument may be reliable but not valid. Pag sinabi naman natin validity, it's more on accuracy. A valid instrument must first produce a consistent measurement. An instrument cannot be truly valid if it is not reliable. So it means reliability is a prerequisite for validity. So in simple terms, high reliability is essential for establishing validity. Okay po? Now let us talk about the differences. Now let us review the differences between the validity and reliability. By definition, validity, it measures the accuracy of the instrument. The reliability, it measures the consistency of the instrument. When we say instrument, these are your survey questionnaire, your observation form, it could be your test questionnaires, and other forms that you will use to answer, or your guide to answer your statement of the problem. In terms of the questions, the main questions to answer if it is accurate, does it measure what it's supposed to measure? The question, does it produce consistent result? So you are talking here about the reliability of your instrument. The focus about validity is the correctness or accuracy of the result. The focus to check the reliability is to see the stability and consistency of the result. What is the purpose? The purpose of doing the validity check is to ensure the correct variable is being measured. The purpose of doing reliability to ensure the dependable and repeatable results. What is the importance? The importance of doing validity check is to produce meaningful conclusion. What is the importance of reliability check? To produce dependable data. So is there a possible without the other? The validity or accuracy, it requires reliability. Reliability can exist even without validity. Okay, a practical application for Great Wall STEM researchers. To improve validity, number 1 is to align every questionnaire item with the research objectives. Number 2, ensure that each question measures the intended variable. Number 3, seek feedback from research advisor or subject expert to establish content validity. Number 4, remove the ambiguous, bias, or irrelevant questions. So how it happens? You may use the Crunchback Alpha. Number 5, use established theories and related literature. Control extraneous variables in experimental studies to improve internal validity. Number 7, select an appropriate sample to strengthen the external validity. Now, to improve the reliability of your instrument, conduct a pilot test before the actual data collection. Number 2, revise the confusing or unclear question based on pilot test result. Number 3, use a standard instruction for all respondents. Number 4, administer the questionnaire under similar conditions. Number 5, use established instrument whenever possible. Number 6, calculate reliability statistics using Crunchbox Alpha. Number 7, you have to train the observers or raters for scoring their rubrics. Okay, for the key concept, validity and reliability are fundamental concepts in quantitative research because it determines the quality of the data collected. Validity also ensures that the research instrument accurately measures the intended variable, while reliability ensures that the instrument produces stable and consistent results over time and across similar conditions. Researchers evaluate validity through several approaches, including phase validity, content validity, construct validity, criterion validity, internal validity, and external validity. It was already mentioned and discussed in other videos. Likewise, reliability can be assessed through test-retest reliability, internal consistency, inter-rater reliability, parallel forms reliability, and split-hop reliability. So for the explanation of these types of validity and reliability, hanapin nyo lang po ito sa mga videos na in-upload ko din dito sa YouTube. A high-quality research instrument must demonstrate both validity and reliability. Reliable measurements alone are insufficient if the instrument measures the wrong concept, and valid conclusion cannot be achieved without consistent measurement. So by carefully designing and validating, pilot testing, and refining research instrument, you can collect credible data and produce meaningful research findings that contribute to the scientific inquiry.